Have you ever gone to send an email and you forgot to add your attachment, a document, or a photo, and it's an important email? Well, today we're going to show you how to unsend Gmail. There's a cool little feature in Gmail where you can unsend it for up to 30 seconds with one little settings change. We'll show you how to do that right now. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so here we are in Gmail. You can load yours up and follow along if you like. I'm going to be doing this on my computer. I don't believe this feature is available on your phone. If I'm wrong, maybe leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll likely make a video on it in the future. Now, first off, we're going to show you how to change your settings so you can unsend Gmail within 30 seconds. And then we're going to do an example of sending an email and show you how to unsend it. So to get to the settings, up in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a little gear or sprocket up here. You can go ahead and left click on that with your mouse. It's going to give you your quick settings here in Gmail. And right here it says see all settings. You can go ahead and left click on see all settings. That's going to load up all the settings here in Gmail. Now when you're in here, you're going to see all sorts of tabs along the top. Make sure the first one here is selected, the general tab. And in this area, if you scroll down, actually for myself, it's the fourth option down. It says undo send. And the default for this is 5 seconds. Now I want to extend this because it's usually 10 seconds later that I realize I forgot to add a photo or a document. So let's go ahead and click on this drop down here. So it goes from 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and select the maximum, which is 30 seconds. And this is going to allow us to unsend our Gmails within 30 seconds. Now, this is an important step. Go down to the bottom here and you'll see a save option, save changes right here. Make sure you do select that so your settings are changed. So it'll take us back out to our main page here where we can send an email. Let's go ahead and do a test here. We'll send myself an email and we'll call it test. And how are you? Perfect. So once we've got our email all done, we can go ahead and hit send here. And you can see it sent that email through. It's showing up in my inbox. But in the bottom left-hand corner here, it says message sent. And it says undo here or view message. Now this is going to stay here for 30 seconds. It will disappear after 30 seconds. Or if you set it to 20 seconds, it'll be 20 seconds. But we can undo our email. So if I go ahead and left click on undo, you can see that email that I sent myself disappear. So this will work if you're sending it to someone else as well. And maybe you forgot to add your attachment here. So I have a photo. Let's go ahead and add that. If you made a mistake, you can add your documents or make changes. Maybe you made a misspelling mistake that you noticed right away. And once that's in there, you can go ahead and hit send. And again, it's going to send that email. And again, this message here will stay here for 30 seconds and then disappear. So you do have that 30 seconds to unsend that email that maybe you made a mistake on. So it's really that simple to unsend Gmail within 30 seconds. So I hope this Gmail tutorial did help you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.